At presentation akon mga presentation ng aking mga pamangkin. Walang dya. Ate mo Uday, Yadi Sumigin to anti-vlogger. Congrats po. Dear Auntie, we are very proud of you and now your dreams will come true. We are very proud of you. Really proud. We all hope that you'll continue your vlog. Continue your vlog. And we all hope you will be our inspiration, day. To follow our dreams too. The impossible dream. Ano pa? We are very proud of you, Aunt. You are very important to us. Auntie, pira iton akon. Joke. Kakaloka kayo, mga langya kayo.
Huh?